Okay, what I'm making today is something they have in schools. Um, I know my school had it when I was growing up. It's called Pizza Burger. And what they were was buns, homemade buns they cooked, and then they had a pizza type sauce on them, and I'll show you how we make it. Okay, this is the ingredients and stuff we're going to need so far. We got this French bread. We like buying it in a big section like this, and we'll cut it in half. We'll have two of these. Instead of use the buns, like in school they used the buns at that time. Ground meat, about a pound of ground meat here. Garlic powder, parsley, because we dry our own. Mozzarella cheese, about a half pound of that, shredded, and a half a pound of cheddar cheese, shredded. Black pepper, and oregano, and Spam, 1 can of Spam. And then, of course, whatever sauce you like. We've made this up. This is our own tomatoes and stuff, our own paste. And then a frying pan, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So I got to shred this up, and then we shred the Spam up too. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, we'll start with the breads here, and then we're going to go ahead and get this hamburger opened up. And we have these two shredded up. We got the Spam shredded up, and then we got the cheddar cheese all shredded up. Okay, and then go ahead and start cooking, heating up this hamburger itself. Put a pan here. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to leave a little bit. I think I got a pound and a half there. You really only need about a pound. So we're going to keep about a little bit left there. And fry it up. Okay, I got the hamburger cooked up there pretty good. And now we're going to go ahead and drain this grease. Okay, wasn't too bad. Now we want to put the Spam in it. Get the heat turned down. All we do is add the Spam in it like this. Then we add a cup of oregano. Let's really move that around a little bit. Oops, coming out of the can. It's alright, when you're cooking, you're allowed to be messy. It gets stirred up. Yep, still messy. I like it. Okay, what do you got? A teaspoon of garlic. Oh, a teaspoon of garlic. We're going to spread the teaspoon all over here. And then parsley or oregano. A teaspoon of oregano. Just spread it all over it. And then we have tablespoon, that's what you're saying, tablespoon of parsley. Now this is parsley we dried, so I'm going to put it in my hand and kind of get it all over it, you know. I like it just getting it fresh and then we dry it. Okay, they're stirred up. My wife's back there helping me here. Because I kind of forget the recipe. She knows more about it than I do, but I like cooking it. And you got your Spam and everything all mixed up and cooking in here. Okay. Just mix this up. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cheese right in with this. Here we go. Get all the cheese out of it. That's what we want. And now we need to mix it up. Should have used a bigger pan. That's for sure. But it'll work. I'll just give it a little bit of time there and mix it around. Quite messy. Quite messy. I don't want to burn on the stove there. Give me a fork. Have a fork over there? Give me a fork. Ooh, nice big one. There we go. Now I can mix it up. See how it's melting in there?
Add 1 cup of sauce.
Okay, we need one. She said we need 1 cup of sauce. Here we go. Move this off here for a second. And like I said, this is homemade. Give me a spoon here. I can get a spoon. So we get 1 cup of sauce. I'm trying to get it there. Oh, that sauce looks good. Oh, there we go. Boy. Oh, man. That really looks good. Mix some more of that sauce up there. Nice and thick. This here is really thick sauce. Wow, look at that. Wow, that really looks delicious. Okay, turn the heat off on this. Bring it back here a little bit so it'll be out of the road. And then we're going to go ahead and cut our bread. Move some of this stuff out of here. Oh, you guys are going to love this. This stuff is really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and cut my bread. If I can get it open. Sometimes that sides open right up. Sometimes they don't. Alright, I'm going to cut that bread right down to the middle here. Now what that does, it gives me 2 real nice pieces. I'm going to put this on a plate. So. There we go. That way I get the mess, I get it right on here, not all through the place. Okay, it's just time to go ahead and start putting this on. Now we're going to bake this in the oven. That's what we're going to do. So once you bake it, it's going to be really, really tasty. Look at that. Man, that makes me hungry now. Woo. Oh my. Oh. Smells so good. But we are going to have some left over, so I can always save it and then make maybe make some small ones. Maybe make it out of something else. You know what I'm saying? Always going to have a little left over here. Maybe. Make sure it's pretty full across there. Okay. Sit for that. Now, we want to go ahead and put some cracked pepper on it. Yeah, like I said, loving cracked pepper, man. Now, to top it off, we're going to put our cheese on it here. Oh yeah. Oh, don't that look so good. We're going to put our cheese on it. Look at that. That's amazing. Don't be shy on the cheese. Put it on there. Okay, now got to put it in the oven. 350. Alrighty, we got to put it in the oven on 350. Let me go ahead and turn it on. It's 350. We're going to preheat the oven, and then once the oven's preheat, we'll go ahead and place this in the oven and bake it for how many minutes we got to bake it?
Till the cheese melts.
Till the cheese melts, so probably about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, something like that. We'll bake it because everything else is already done. It's all cooked and everything. So. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, it should be done. I had it in there on 350 degrees about 15 minutes, so it would the bun itself will be brown. So let's take it out and take a look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Let's see how it turned out. Looks very delicious. We're gonna let that cool off, and we're gonna have a little bit later when it's a little cooler. Okay, so if you have any comments, just leave them down below, and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, and thanks for watching.